CiiVSOFT uses recruitment automation to streamline top-of-the-funnel processes. It works behind the scenes in Lever to ensure users never have to leave the platform. First, begin by creating a job in the usual way. CiiVSOFT can process all jobs or just selected ones. The integration fits seamlessly with your established workflows. CiiVSOFT analyzes job information from the requisition and combines this with learnt data in our systems. Automated solutions are triggered when new jobs are ingested into our system. The first solution to run is Archive, the automated database search and matching tool. Automatically find and recommend candidates inside your Lever database who may be a match for your new job. Recommended candidates are automatically added as leads against the new job. Then the recommended leads can be reviewed by the recruiter in the usual way. To keep the recruiter informed, Archive automatically creates a note on the candidate record. The activity feed is also updated to maintain full traceability. The recruiter can convert a lead to a candidate and add them to the application pipeline in Lever. Candidates can be added to any stage in the pipeline. Prior to any external sourcing, Archive provides a valuable starting point for new jobs. Recruiters can quickly engage with relevant talent or potentially avoid the need to advertise externally. Archive powers candidate rediscovery and re-engagement to maximize the potential from talent already in your ATS. For incoming job applications, this is where Filter comes in. Filter is an automated job application screening solution. It automatically reviews, screens, and sifts new incoming job applications. Using screening technology, Filter can reduce the time spent in manually reviewing applications by over 90%. New applications are screened using CiiVSOFT's matching algorithm, which automatically compares applicant and job profiles created by the CiiVSOFT system. New applications are received into the vacancy pipeline. Applications screened as unsuitable will remain in the first pipeline stage for later review or rejection if needed. Filter does not automatically reject candidates. Matching applications automatically advance to the next pipeline stage or custom stage. A candidate note and activity feed log is created on the candidate record. Filter reduces the overall number of applications recruiters need to review, enabling them to refocus their time and skills on working with qualified candidates. But what about the applications that were not advanced? Normally, these applicants are left behind in the pipeline or rejected. Instead, with Refine, they're given a second chance. Using talent pipeline automation, Refine takes these applications and compares them against all other open jobs. If Refine finds a match, it automatically adds the applicant as a lead for the new job. Refine maximizes opportunity from every application received, regardless of the role applied for. Channel applicants to the right jobs and increase knowledge sharing across hiring teams. Find out more and get in touch at CiiVSOFT.com.